guys, welcome to my channel, and for those of you who are new, my name is Miriam, and I cover everything DIY, home decor, and lifestyle. So for this project you're going to need 6 frames. I got them from the dollar store. You'll need some type of tool to pull the clip off from the back of the picture frame. You will need a hot glue gun, or you can use the E6000 glue. Okay, so to start the project off, I'm just going to peel off everything, open the frames up. You are then going to remove the back piece from all the picture frames because you're not going to need it. Put that to the side, remove the glass and everything. I'm actually going to save this glass because I'm going to use it for something else. And now you're left with just the frame. So you're going to do this for all of them. After everything is off, what you're going to do next is you're going to use your tool, whatever tool you have, and you're simply going to take off these little hook things that are in the back of the picture frame because you don't need it. They actually interfere with your work. So to take it off, I'm just going to twist, and it comes off easily. It's simple because it's not anything. It's not an expensive frame, so it wasn't put on there tight. So it comes off very loose if you just twist it, and it comes off. And if you are still here, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so I went ahead and did that for all of them. Everything's out, and now I'm actually going to place it like just an example of how I want the frames to stand. So I'm gonna kind of eyeball it to see how I'm gonna glue it before I actually glue it down. So this is how I'm gonna set it up, like so. This is actually how I want the wall decor to look. So now I'm gonna use my glue gun, and I'm just gonna glue it together. I'm gonna glue the frames onto each other and place it on my wall, and that's it. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna glue this first. Like so. Press it down. So it sticks. I'm going to repeat the same step on this side. And make sure it lines up evenly. Right here is good for me. Okay. Alright y'all, so my camera died, I'm sorry, so I went ahead and I glued the rest of the frames off camera. So you guys, I believe, saw me do these two. I put glue here and glue here, and then, you know, it stuck through. I'm gonna have to like clean that excess glue off from the side. For this one, I put glue on this side and this side as well. You can see the glue's dried over here. Did the same here. This one I put glue here, here, and here. Okay, and then I left it to dry while the camera was charging. So I think it should be dry enough now. I'm going to show you guys how sturdy it is. So this is me like lifting it up. I'll lift it up this way, lift it up this way. It's pretty much dry. It's not, you know, it's not coming off. So now I'm going to place this on my wall, and what I'm going to use to place it on the wall is thumbtacks. I don't like to put holes in the wall if I don't have to, and because this is so light, I think it'll this will do the work. And I'm gonna use 2 of them. I'm actually gonna hook it from the top 2. I'm gonna punch this in the wall. Sorry, my ice cream over there. And then, you know, hook it on to these. To space it out, I'm going to use the glass. I don't know if you guys can see it, just so I know how far I should go out to place the thumbtacks to fit the frame. Alright y'all, this is my finished product. This is how it came out. I think it came out pretty nice. You guys let me know what you think of this DIY. I'm going to be doing a lot more like this because I have a lot of walls that I have to fill up. So if you are going to try this, let me know, and also let me know how it turns out for you. And I hope you do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.